The CMCP-TKPro-SR Shaft Rider is easy to use and allows the user to provide an acceleration or velocity signal to confirm sensor to monitor signal wiring. It can also be used to check the monitoring system's alarm settings or other functions. Note that the Shaft Rider is not a calibration device and should be used for verification purposes only. The Shaft Rider works on a spring and mass system and is made up of 4 parts: a collet to fit in the TKPro, a moving armature threaded for quarter 28 UNF accelerometers, a spring, and a replaceable glass-filled Teflon tip. 2 spare tips are included with the kit. To use the Shaft Rider, you'll need to set up the TKPro for the desired amount of amplitude by inserting the dial indicator into the swing arm. Move the swing arm towards the outer edge of the wobble plate, and then set the speed. For this example, we'll set the TKPro up for a total of 1 mil displacement at 3600 RPM, which should provide us with an output of approximately 0.13 inches per second RMS. Once the swing arm is in place, connect an accelerometer to the Shaft Rider assembly and lock it into the swing arm. Now turn on the TKPro. Notice the wear tip is now riding on the wobble plate and the spring is compressed. Due to the design, no metal-to-metal contact can occur even with the tip removed. To increase or decrease the amplitude, simply adjust the swing arm in or out, or adjust the RPM. Next, work through all the channels in the monitoring system one at a time. The TKPro is battery powered and can easily be moved around the machine. Be aware of the frequency response of the monitoring system being checked. ISO standard is 10 to 1 kHz and ISO low frequency systems are 2 to 2 kHz. Frequency corners advertised on monitoring systems are typically at the 3 dB down point.